Welcome, in front of me I have Realme C3 and today I will show you how you can log out from your Gmail account. So if you are already logged in with two accounts, like in my case, you can easily sync out from one of them. So you have to tap right here and then click to manage accounts on this device. Select Google and then choose the account that you want to remove. I'm going for this one, so click here and right now tap on these two dots in the right upper corner, then click to remove account, confirm. Now let's try to go back. Okay, as you can see it was a little bit laggy, but right now we got only one account, so we remove the second one, and when we log into our Gmail, right now we are only with the one account. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and of course subscribe to our channel.